The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clay County, eastern Cloud County, Dickinson County, and central Kansas until 11 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Miltonville to Topeka to 5 miles east of Carlton and moving east at 50 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Abilene, Harrington, Clay Center, Manchester, Talmadge, Longford, Oak Hill, Hope, Enterprise, Clyde, Midlight, Idana, Chapman, Vining, Woodbine, Morganville, Wakefield, and Greene. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 267 and 289. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Here is the